seesaw battle here in set number 3. Well, it's been like that the first 2 sets anyway. FEU was very evenly matched, but right now FEU with a very slim lead of 16-15 in set number 3. Both teams 1 set apiece. So strap in, folks. We're in for a long one here in the final game of the first round of eliminations.
Happy Sunday, Eric.
So perfect reason for all you folks hindi lumabas kasi umulan na malakas. Tama yung decision nyo manood na lang ng volleyball action dito sa Studio 23. Magandang hapon po. Eric Tipan with Noreen Go, courtside Tina Marasigan, and Judy Sarrell reporting for UST and FEU respectively.
Well, for those just joined us, this is a really close game.
Very. And ganun ka-close. All na naman tayo with that Ortiz point. 16 all. Set number 3.
Funny, I remember saying, look at the score, Eric. It's 1-1-6-6. Now it's 1-1-1-1-6-1-6. It's a sign of a long Sunday.
Yeah, long Sunday afternoon. Palma, there's a check, sabi ng lines judge, and binigay ng first referee ang point sa FEU. Chance of booze here in the arena. Is that a makeup call?
Could be.
Could be just a makeup call.
Now lead by 1, 17-16.
Well, I ain't commenting on that play anymore.
17-16 lamang ang FEU. Set 3. That was Tunay. Good defense by FEU. Here comes Rojas.
Oh, good
nice
cover.
One-handed pickup by Lastimosa. Free ball para sa FEU. Rojas. Both teams very solid defensively right now, and that's off the mark. Lastimosa asking for a check. Was there? Point FEU again.
Well, the referees are having problems with those calls right now.
Well, Coach Oji Mamon, wala pang nireklamo so far. He just stood off the bench. Parang sumabit na naman sa isang daliri doon. So that, it seemed like a UST point that was taken away. Rojas finds the mark, yes.
Wow, FEU is breathing new life here in this third set.
Lady Cameras go up.
3-point lead para sa Lady Tams off this point by Rojas. Great adjustment for her, avoiding the block. 19-16, set 3.
Palma now serving for FEU. Good serve.
Tunay the push. Here comes Rojas setting for Vargas. Vargas is blocked. Vargas tips it over. Cabanos. Ortiz, nice defense behind the block. Eulalio catches the line.
The Eulalio connection is back. And this is a comfortable 4-point lead.
Yeah. At the very late stage of set number 3. 20-16 FEU. Palma by about 5 feet overshoots that.
That's adrenaline for you.
Sabi ni Coach, mataas. Masyado mataas, sabi ni Coach Kid Santos. So 17 serving 20. Nice delivery. Again, Giselle C on her knees finds a way to put it right smack for Eulalio.
But the blockers, they have got to adjust. They have no answer to Winnet Eulalio. They have to make their adjustment. Obviously, they're slow to check Winnet Eulalio.
Back to a 4-point lead for FEU. 21 serving 17. Another poor reception para sa UST. Block is Tunay. And now, FEU inching closer to a set point. Pero Coach Mamon calls a timeout. Tingnan muna natin yung block na yon. 22-17 FEU. Let's listen to UST.
Establish sila, malaki yon. Gusto mo, gamit naman konti neto. Alex, Pwede ka naman normal lang na tumakbo, naninigas ka na, dig pass agad. Pwede overhead pass yun. Hindi naman ganun katapon yung receive eh. Balikan na doon. Pag-atake natin, balik ka sa block. Hanapin mo agad yung
It's a bit of a precarious situation right now para sa USD. FEU only needs 3 points, and they're down by 5.
And Coach Audrey bringing back Jesse De Leon.
But, you know, quality minutes para kay Claudia Cortez.
Yeah, oh yeah. But you know, now Jesse De Leon, she's got to check really that center because they have been really going to win with Eulalia and she has been connecting.
But one of the reasons hindi ma-check ng USD is that perfect set ni Giselle C. to Eulalio.
No matter where she is.
Yun nga yung sinabi mo, nasa ere na si Eulalio, pinatid yung bola, sabay na sabay, hindi yung tatalon pa lang, and kaya hindi ma-tsempohan masyado din ng USD. Here comes Tunay. Ooh, overshoots the mark. Tunay with an error. 23-17.
USD self-destructing here in this third set.
That is the perfect term for how this third set is ending for USD.
Well, but you know, FEU really stepped up a notch here in this third set.
Also, yes, not to take away from, you know, the great play of FEU. Maganda rin yung mga sets. Great decision-making by FEU. Reyes. Rojas.
You can hear the coaches. So Rojas went and hit it over.
Basas. Tip by De Leon. Great defense by Vargas. Eulalio again. That time picked up by the defense. Free ball para sa USD. Cabanos. And Reyes, or make that Lastimosa, is off the mark. Pero check ball, point USD.
That's right. Now the referee quick to call that. Sometimes the players are really looking. I mean, what is he gonna call? Yeah.
Pero kitang-kita doon. No reaction from the FEU side on that call. Eulalio. Nauna na yata talaga yung bola. So USD getting some easy points here. On that last one, an error para sa FEU.
Yeah, but still FEU's got set point.
Well, that actually was a point pala para sa FEU. I think a violation on USD. So set point. FEU. 24-18. Reyes. Here comes FEU. Reyes again.
Good big.
Wow. Oh, beautiful play. Everyone followed where Eulalio was going. And then Giselle C. went the other way, Noreen.
That's right. So smart of Giselle C. That is really taking one over USD. You can see perfect set.
Everybody was running the other way and she sent the ball behind them. Oh, Ishii, oh wow, moment of the game. Open up to everyday surprises. This is a better angle of that play.
That's right, and really caught USD flat-footed there.
Exactly. So, FEU takes the lead here. 2-1. Winning sets number 2 and 3 against USD. Set 4 is coming up next right after these.